Hello cuties, today we are going to learn about the vowels, okay? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called as vowels, okay? Without this vowel, sound or letter, we can't create a word, okay? Now let us practice how to identify the vowel sound with easy examples, okay? The first letter we are going to see is A, okay? A vowel today we are going to see. For A, what is the sound? A. For A, what is the sound? A. Okay, let us start our class. Okay. See here. Vowel A. Okay. What letter we are going to see now? A. So, what is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. Okay. Word. Okay. Using a sound, we are going to form a word. Okay. Let us see. The first letter is F. For F, what is the sound? F. Okay. And A-N. A-N. An. A is A and N is N. So, A, N, An. Front, what letter is coming? F. So, F and fan. F and fan. So, what is this? What picture is given here? Fan picture is given. Okay. So, the word is F-A-N, fan. Okay. Next one is, see here, what picture is this? This is can. Okay. Shall we pronounce it? C. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. And A-N, already we studied, no? A-N, an. Okay. A-N, an. So, A-N, an. K and can. K and can. So, the picture is can. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to see A-T. A-A-T-T. Act, act. Act, act. Okay. We are going to see at words. See here. The first letter is B. First letter is B. A-T already I said no. At. Okay. B. At. Bat. B. At. Bat. Like this you have to form a word. Okay. And next is C. What letter is this? C. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. A-T. At. K. At. Cat. K. At. Cat. Okay. And next see here. A-G. Okay. For A, what is the sound? A. G. G. A. G. Ag. A. G. Ag. So, now we are going to see ag words. Okay. The first letter is T. For T, what is the sound? T. A-G, ag. Already we studied here. Okay. Ag. So, T, ag, tag. T, ag, tag. And here the first letter is B. So, B, ag, bag. B, ag, bag. Okay. What picture is given here? Bag picture is given. Okay. For that, you have to pronounce like this. For B, what is the sound? B. And A-G, ag, B, ag, bag. Okay. Next, we are going to see app words. Okay. See here. A, P. For A, what is the sound? A. P, P. App, app. A, P, app. Okay. Now, we are going to see app words. Okay. See here. The first letter is C. What is the sound of C? K. And here A-P. A-P, app. For A, P, P. App, app. So, front what letter is coming here? K. K, app, cap. K, app, cap. Okay, next is tap. Okay, shall we pronounce it? The first letter is T. Okay, what is the sound of T? T. Okay, T, A, tap. T, A, tap. T, A, tap. Like this you have to pronounce it. Okay, then the word will be formed. Okay. Okay, cuties, next we are going to see look and read. Okay, a man is in a van. Okay, man is in a van. Vanukulla man இருக்கிறாங்க. சரிங்களா? அந்த man எங்க இருக்கிறாரு? vanukulla இருக்கிறாரு. அது எப்படி நம்ம pronounce பண்ண போறோம்? See here, already we are studying an, an. An. The first letter is M. So M, for M what is the sound? M and man. M and man. Okay, and next is here. Here also an. What is the sound for an? An. A-N, N. So an. The first letter is V. For V what is the sound? V. V and van. V and van. So let us read a man. is. Is is. Is. In a van. A man is in a van. Okay. Okay, I think all of you know how to pronounce the A vowels. Okay. Okay, cuties, we will see you next video. Bye. Thank you.